Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to flip an image in Canva. This is canva.com website, and first let's create a new design. Let's go with an Instagram post to get a square template. First, let's add a new picture. Now to flip this image in Canva, just select it using your mouse and click on flip from this editing toolbar. You can go with an horizontal flip or a vertical one. Let's test the horizontal flip. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. My image of myself is flipped horizontally now, and this is how to flip it vertically. And this is how to flip an image in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.